Here they come. They're going to get it up. Here it comes.
Whoa. He's cool.
He's cool.
Yeah, look. He's cool.
Reinforcements have arrived. I think they're going to make it. They had to go get Uncle Bobby out of bed. Oh, it broke!
Okay.
That's what happened to the last one, too. Here he goes. Still not over with. He's still going to save the day. Hang on, wait till Uncle Bobby gets here. Here we go. Is it savable? Are we going to save the snowball? Here you go. He's falling apart. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Caleb's still trying his. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's making it. It's making it. How come you're not helping him? How come you're not helping him?
It's going right there.
Where's it going?
Right there.
Right there? Right next to Caleb's?
There you go. It's going right there. Right there. Next to
Now Uncle Bobby has to lift it up and put it on top of Caleb's.
No, that's not.
He's got it. He's getting it.
I'll make my own.
Okay. All right. You got to make middles then. Okay. Let's make them right there, guys. Let's make them right there. Okay. Well, let's make two snowmen right there, side by side. Uncle Bobby, thank you.